So when you first install it, you go to audio in the Android interface. You will find there's no sound coming out. So we need to do one settings. That's here in console. Add a phone here. Click My Chevrolet. It's gonna take a while on the first time, so click on My Chevrolet. Click on it. Pair and pair. Now it stays connected. Go back to GT6 BTD here to make sure it's actually connected. Now you can go back to the Android interface and play videos or music.
It's Verstappen, then Norris, Russell, Hamilton up a place, Sainz down. Get the top.
Okay, so that's how you get sound from the Android interface.
Allows you to communicate better. That full level
Okay, cool.
integration